Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see how many people have watched your reel on Instagram. So if you want to find out about that here, you can just go to your profile and find the reels that you want to see. It's if you count, you can click on your profile here. You can click on your profile grid or just go to the reels tab in here. Just choose which reels that you want to see its count. For example, I'm going to find out about this ones right here. Now you can just click on this like count on the reels. Just click on it, and here you'll see the plays and likes. So plays here mean that how this many people have watched and play my video. So my videos got 6 to 1 view. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.